Let's solve this Olympiad equation together. It says root of 2 raised to power 1 over x is equal to 16 raised to power x. We're required to solve for the value or values of x in this equation. Okay, so let's do that quickly. Now, first thing we can say here is that we can re-express root of 2 as 2 raised to power half. So I can say that this is 2 raised to power half raised to the power of 1 over x to be equal to 16 now can be re-expressed as 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so 2 to the power of 4 or raised to the power of x is equal to this. Now we can now say that when we have a raised to the power of m or to the power of n, it's equal to a raised to the power of m multiplied by n. Moving on from here, we now have 2 raised to power 1 times 1 is 1 over 2x, 2 times x is 2x, and this is equal to 2 raised to the power of 4x. Okay, now moving on from here, we can now say let's divide both sides by 2 raised to the power 1 over 2x. Okay, so having done that quickly, we are going to have that. So we're going to have that this right side strikes out completely to give us 1 to be equal to, now we have 2 raised to the power 4x minus 1 over 2x. Okay, now bringing this to this side, we have 2 raised to the power 4x times 2x is 8x squared minus 1 all over 2x, and this is equal to 1 is something as 2 raised to the power of 0. Okay, alright, so we can say 8x squared minus 1 divided by 2x is equal to 0. Now from here we have that 8x squared is equal to 1. Okay, moving on from here, let's divide both sides by 8. So we have x squared on this side to be equal to 1 over 8. Now, square root of both sides. So we have that our x here becomes equal to plus or minus 1 over root 8. Let's multiply both the numerator and the denominator by root 8 to rationalize this quickly. So this becomes root 8 over root 8 multiplied by root 8 is 8. Then we have root 8 over 8. Now root 8 is the same thing as 2 root 2. So we have 2 root 2 all over 8 to be equal to x. And this is equal to root 2 over 4. So this is the final answer for x in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.